Hello my dear friend, today we will try to learn how to create section in Datamine on drill hole. Like here our drill hole file is loaded and it is shows in blue and red color, and we have created section line on that drill hole which is shows in magenta color. First we will create sectional view by going on particular section line, and further we will go to all the section line and create our sectional view. For creating sectional view we have to type 2.2 on keyboard, type 2 board on keyboard. Then we have to select first point of that section line and second point of that section line. This dialog box will open. Here we will select vertical, and after select vertical we will get the section view. On this section view we will apply our clipping. That could be 100 by 100 or 50 by 50 as our plan. After applying clipping, we get this view. This is the information of that sectional view. We will click on OK. After applying clipping, here we have to apply the clipping. Then we have to type the command SVI. On keyboard we will type SVI. We will type on keyboard SVI. Then we will get this information of that view. We will click on OK. This view of this section view will save as view definition, and it will shows in loaded data view definition file. Again we will go to the next section. Same process, we will continue that same process, like 2 point command, type 2 on keyboard, and then select first point of that section line, and that second point of that section line we will get the cross sectional view. We will type SVI command. We will get this information. Click on OK. The next section will save in view definition. Again we will go to the next section line, type 2 on keyboard. 2 point command is active. Click on first point of section line, click on second point of section line. We will get this information. We will click on vertical. OK. We will get section view. Again apply the clipping limit and type command SVI on keyboard. Type SVI on keyboard. The information of that section will show like this. Click on OK. That section will save in view definition. Like this we will go to all the section line and save the cross sectional view of whole drill hole file in view definition file. Then we will save that view definition file. Go to right click, data, and save as, and give the name as our choice, like section file, like section 1 section file, or as our choice. For getting the view, how we can get the view of that section, for that we have to type command GVI on keyboard. GVI. We have to remember that our view definition file should be loaded and the composite drill hole file also should be loaded, and type command GVI. The command box active and number of section will shows here. Give the number of section in yellow box. Here we can see. Here we can see the number of section is activated. We will give the number of section like 1. Again we will get the section view of cross section 1. Again we will type GVI and change the number. Here 2, we will get the section number 2. Again we will type GVI. Here we will change the number of that section and we will get the section number 3. How this change the number of section, and we will get the next sectional view. How this we can create cross section and get that view of that cross section. Now we will do this process practically. This is our bore roll we have loaded, and in magenta color it is our cross section line which we have created by string command. Now the first step is 2-point command. We will type on keyboard 2. The command 2-point will be active. We will click on both the end of the cross section, first cross section. This is our first cross section. The dialog box will be open. We will select vertical. Now we will apply clipping. Here we are applying the clipping 100 by 100. This is view, or this is our first cross sectional view. We will save this view. For this we will type SVI on keyboard. This dialog box will be open. This is the information of this cross sectional view. Okay. This first cross sectional view is saved in view definition file. Again we will go to the plan. Go to the next section line and same process will be repeated. 2-point command, type on keyboard 2. 2-point command will be active. Click on both the end of the second section. The dialog box will be open like this, vertical. Apply the clipping 100 by 100. Okay. Second cross section view. Command SVI. Click on keyboard SVI. Okay. Second section save on view definition. View definition is shows in loaded data. Again go to the plan. Again same process will be repeated. 2-point command, go to the third number of section. Click on both the end, vertical. Click on both the end of third section, vertical. Cross sectional view is showing. Go to the clip limit 100 by 100. Okay. Third sectional view, command SVI. Type on keyboard SVI. Okay. Third section is saved in view definition file. Now save that view definition file. Right click on view definition, save as, and save by giving the name as our choice. It will come in section definition file in project control bar. Here we save this file and the file will shows in section definition folder in project control bar. Now how we get our cross sectional view, which we have saved in view definition file. For that, bore roll file and view definition file should be loaded. We will type command GVI on keyboard, GVI. The command will be active. Here we can see the command will be active in command box. Command box will be active, and we will type here 1 for our cross section view 1. We can see the command box. We will type here already shows 1 on. We will enter the first cross section will be shows in graphic window. Again type GVI and type there 2. So the second section view will be shows. Again type GVI and in command box we will type 3. The third number of section will be shows. This is the repeated process. We can get all the cross section by typing command GVI. Here again we type GVI and change the cross section number 4, 5, 6. We can get all the cross section on graphic window. Okay friend, thank you. Please give me your feedback.